Um, yeah, the thing. Now we got to remove all these cubes and then place them back. Oh, this is gonna take a long time. But big shout out to the cubicle. So I'm gonna start removing all the cubes. All right. Boom, all the cubes right there. This is what the process is gonna be like. These are all the ones that are solved, right? I'll make the picture and move them on over here. And then from here, I'm gonna put them onto there, okay? I know, might seem redundant, but trust the process. Boom. That is the first quadrant complete right there. Amazing. All right, so that's the other one done. Okay. Start on the next one. Next quadrant. All right, one more to go. You know what? I should make this the big camera and then this the small camera. There we go. Woo. This is sick. This is so cool. All right, y'all ready? This is what was cooking in the background. We start with 1 cube. Oh. Oh. Look how the lighting is consistent. All right. So the cool part is the lighting is bad. Maybe I could fix it, but check this out. That's the part I was doing at the end. Look at that. That's so cool. This is so cool because every week I'm just gonna have something new to stare at in this room. Catch you on the next one. Remember, we're only human.